Hi everyone, Everyday Penny Productions here. Sandy,
Zach,
Jack.
are you looking to get into the stock market? Well, we've got a great way to do that here on Everyday Penny Productions, and it's Pie Day. So we bought ourselves a pie to demonstrate how you can invest in stock slices within a brokerage account. So a stock slice is an inexpensive way to get started in the stock market. You would buy a fractional share of stock, right?
yeah.
Do you want to give an example of that?
Yeah. So say a random company is selling a stock share at $100 a share, and you're buying $20 of it. You would own 20% of a single share. Also, it would be a smart idea if you buy it when it's buy it now, and then if it goes up, you can sell it for more, and then repeating that process will make it so you can start earning money.
Well, that and the fact,
Yeah, that it just gets you money over time, or you lose money from the stocks going down or up.
right, because there are market fluctuations. So let's say you put the $20 in this month, and next month when you went to put another $20 in, the stock went down. Well, you'll be able to buy a larger fractional share with the stock being less than $100. Or if the stock price increased, you would buy less of a fractional share of that stock. But over time, what happens to our money over time, Jack?
You can gain or lose it.
It grows.
Well,
you can gain or lose it.
you can gain or lose it, but over time, things usually build up
They build up and grow.
That's what I said.
and grow. Because what stock did you buy? Do you remember?
We bought a share of Google.
We bought a share of Google. The boys bought a share of Google. And we are now $2,000 above our original investment in Google.
We are?
We are.
Wow.
How about it?
Last time I checked, we only had
Like 51.
Yeah. So this is the way to build your savings in the stock market, and it is compounded over time, and you can do like a dollar cost averaging program into these stock slices. So stock slices are kind of similar to mutual funds. Do you remember when we did the video on mutual funds? And we actually did cookies to demonstrate how diversified a mutual fund is and how many different stocks or bonds are within the mutual fund. With stock slices, you're only purchasing that one company stock. So what do you need to look for when buying a company stock, Jack? What do you need to know?
You need to know as much as you can about that company.
Absolutely. So you need to know what they do, what they make,
What they sell.
What they sell, who their people are. Sometimes who runs the company is very important.
And maybe if the company is owned by another company.
Right. Sometimes companies are owned by another company. So you wouldn't want to buy possibly that stock. You might want to buy the parent company stock.
Yeah.
Right? So let's have a piece of our pie. We're going to have a slice. So if Zach was only to buy 20% now, maybe he only has that bit of a slice.
So maybe 10% or
Yeah.
5%.
Right? A little slice.
Pie.
A little slice. And then next month, when you have more money and you want to invest more,
You buy a little.
you're going to buy a little bigger piece of that pie.
Oh yeah.
A little bigger. Here, give me your plate over there, Jack. Bigger piece for Jack.
Depends if it's Jack.
And I didn't have that much money this month, so I'm like, oh, well, that little piece.
Uh-oh.
So do you think you want to invest more?
Yes.
All right.
Give me that whole
I-
thing.
Jack wants to invest more money.
I would
Alright,
like
I'm
to
good
keep,
now.
I would like to keep my little share just in case anything goes wrong.
Well, maybe you want to invest in a different company, which you can do that too. Just because you were buying stock slices in one company doesn't mean you can't start buying stock slices in another company.
But that means we're
Unless-
gonna need another pie.
And let's pretend that this is a different company, this slice right here.
Okay, you want that slice? Okay, so you've got this company over on this side of your plate, and you're gonna have this other company over here. Let's make it like that way so that it looks different. All right? So, let's eat our profits.
Yay.
Yay!
Ow.
Join us again at Everyday Penny Productions for our next episode. Again, with this episode of Stock Slices, you may want to refer back to our mutual fund video for investing. And there's all types of investing, and know that the folks at the brokerage houses are more than happy to help you out with any questions that you may have. Everyone is super helpful. All right.
Have a nice day, everyone.
Bye.
And this
See you
was
another time.
Everyday Penny Productions.
Have a good pie day.